So today we're going to look at two bronze axe heads from the Bronze Age. And the first one I have to show you is this one. This is a palstave axe head. These date from the kind of middle to late Bronze Age. You can see that it's still really shiny because bronze doesn't deteriorate in the same way that iron does. So archaeologists tend to find it intact. And it's still quite sharp, and it has this lovely piece of decoration here. And that tells us that this isn't just a tool. This is something more. It's a symbol of wealth. It's a symbol of status, perhaps something even more important than that. But you can also see this bit is why it's called a palstave. This is how the handle was attached. So you'd have a split wooden handle that would fit into either side of this axe. And then you would use this loop to tie it in place to even further secure it. And if you look down this side of the axe, you can see this line. And that tells us that this was made in a two-part mould. So in the early Bronze Age, tools like this were made using one piece of a mould. They would make the shape inside and pour the metal in. And they would be very flat, not particularly decorative, although they would be useful and still important. But by the time you get to the middle and late Bronze Age, that has really changed. So to make a mould for this, people would have made a possibly wax version of the axe and then wrapped the clay around it. When they fired the clay, the wax would melt and run out, leaving this shape in the middle of the mould. And then you would pour in the molten bronze. But the second axe head that I have to show you is even more complicated. This is what's called a socketed axe. They really come about at the end of the Bronze Age. So again, you've got these bits of decoration, but to make this socket, to put the handle in, you would need a three-part mould because you'd also have to have a plug that would go into the middle to hollow it out. And the amazing thing about these axes is the majority of the archaeological finds of axes like these from the Bronze Age come from places that were waterlogged, which suggests that people were ritually depositing them on purpose.